am on number 3. The third wine Bible came out last year. The first edition took 10 years to research and write. The second edition only took 6 years, and this last third edition only took 4 years. So I'm getting really fast. You know, it covers the world, and it was and is the first really big book written by an American author. The world of wine is now absolutely huge compared to what it was, let's say, 25 or 30 years ago. We now have big chapters on China, for example, and Japan, and in any wine book 30 years ago, there would have never been a chapter on Japan or China. Anyone can find us at KarenMacNeil.com, that's me, or check out our digital newsletter, which is winespeed.com.
Great. Karen, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Ray. Lovely to be with you.